Hey everyone, Tom here, and thanks for joining me on the last video for this week. So here is my InfraWorks model with my Navisworks FBX export just sitting there. We don't have any pipe in it because for whatever reason, whoever might have been in charge of this model hasn't updated it. So what we're going to do is just show you what would happen if they were to be updating it. So we go back to Navisworks just quickly and we export this FBX file. So if you're watching yesterday, I updated some of the areas here. So area 1, 2, and 3 have been semi-updated. And then I'm just going to export this FBX file out. And it's on my project as an overall site.fbx. What happens now is we jump into InfraWorks. And this is just quite an easy process. We look for the FBX file, we refresh the data source, and then that's just basically InfraWorks way of reloading an XREF coming from our project. So now we can have a better look, see what it's going to look like. So it doesn't look too bad for the time being. It's going to look a lot better once we update the advanced steel model and maybe start applying some textures and material to our plant project. So this is looking a little bit lonely. What we might do is maybe stick the design intent for a control room. So we can use the buildings command within InfraWorks to just draw a little rectangle here, and then that's going to define our control room for this project. So I wouldn't necessarily use that facade, but it's going to be something similar there. So again, as myself, possibly the piper updates the model, someone else across the office is going to be updating the Navisworks model and doing clashing, and then someone at the same time will also be updating the InfraWorks model. So as we progress, this model is going to get sort of more and more closer to what our intentions are going to be for this project. So I was going to do something in regards to sticking ponds out here. I think as we probably maybe spend a bit more of a longer video on InfraWorks, it means we can put maybe a couple ponds out here, put a few more trees, then again just get some better idea on what the project is going to look like. So again, for the whole week, thanks for watching. This has been a bit of a plant focus for us, but come back next week on Monday, and for all of next week, I'm going to make it a pure AutoCAD week. So we might have a look at some tips and tricks on maybe things like menus, block settings, maybe even some quick VBA scripts just to automate some of your functionality within vanilla AutoCAD. So again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, and please feel free to subscribe to the channel for my daily videos. So thank you very much. Have a good weekend.